I'm obsessed with the new Exposed Cheek Palette by NARS. I love the packaging, it's incredible. It's so fun to play with and to look at. What's really great about this and what makes this really different is that the actual base of the formula is clear and stayed true to the color, no matter what skin tone it goes on. I'm gonna be using the exact same shades on 2 different skin tones. Using this beautiful, rich chocolate tone, I'm gently sculpting the cheek, starting towards the hairline and blending towards the edge of the mouth. When blending, I always try to blend up, ensuring the contour doesn't go too low. Using whatever's left on the brush, I'm applying just a bit on the forehead towards the hairline. I also love to take this under the jawline and the side of the nose. Taking the lightest color in the palette, I'm highlighting the high points of the cheekbone and adding a bit of brightness in the center of the face. So I'm not only going to apply this on the cheeks, I'm also going to apply this a little bit down the center of the face, focusing on the nose and the cupid's bow. I'm using the satin fuchsia shade to add a pop of color on the apples of the cheek. Don't be afraid to apply too much product, as it blends so seamlessly into the skin. This formula truly looks like a second skin. For added intensity, I'm using my finger to apply the highlighter to the highest points of the cheek.